finished dropping off my second round of letters. Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. Yesterday was Canadian Thanksgiving, so I spent some time with my family, which was nice. Anyway, welcome back to another studio vlog. This is my 10th studio vlog, I think. Whoa, that's insane. And I have something really exciting to show you guys today. So I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But first, I'm just gonna say that this morning I went and quickly dropped off some orders at the post office because Tuesdays are the pickup day for Chit Chats. So yeah, I quickly popped over to Niagara Falls and brought the orders to Chit Chats, and those should be going out later today, which is super exciting because I'm excited for you guys to get your orders. And also over the weekend, some people did get their orders already from the previous week. And some of you guys even posted about it on social media, so I got to see your orders safe and sound at your house, which that experience was so surreal. So thank you guys for sharing that. I'm really happy that you got your orders safe, and I hope that everybody else who is still waiting on their orders gets them. Another thing, just to kind of slide this in there, if you have ordered from me, first off, thank you so much. I probably say this way too much, but thank you. Second off, if you would like to, feel free to leave a review on my Etsy. If you liked the stuff that you got, just let me know. It would be great. It would help me out a whole bunch because right now I have 0 reviews on my Etsy, and I know for me, when I go looking to buy something, my number one thing is to look at the reviews to see if the product is good or not. So if you would like to, and you like your stuff, feel free to go leave a little review. Okay, enough of that. I'm going to show you my thing that I got. So the company SUDIO was kind enough to send me some of their earbuds. So I am going to unbox these and I will show you guys what's inside. I'm so excited. So it was my birthday over the holiday break, and I got a new tripod which is able to hold my phone up above what I'm working on. So now I can film things from a more top-down perspective, which is awesome. So hopefully you guys will like the new angle. Yeah, without further ado, I'm so excited to open this. I'm gonna try to not show my address. I have never owned AirPods before. Not AirPods. I've never owned any kind of wireless earbud before. So this is really exciting. Ah, their packaging is so cute. I like the clean black look. Oh my gosh, here it is. Look how nice they look. I'm so excited to open this. They have a very like Apple-esque kind of design. Very clean and minimalist. And what's this? Oh my gosh, what is this? Just a card holder? Wow, this is so pretty. It looks like real leather. Nice. It's got like a little impressed area that says SUDIO. There. I like too how there was only one bit of plastic in all of that packaging. Everything else has been paper. Okay, let's open this. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. So this must be what you charge your thing in. It looks like a little egg almost. It's so cute. With a nice strap on it. What does it say? Charge before use. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. They're so like minimal. So this is what they look like. Little pods. Eee, snap. And then there's some accessories, I guess. Different sizes, which is great because my ear holes are very small and a lot of headphones give me problems because I get like bruises in my ear because the earbuds are too big. So I hope that the smallest ones of these will work good for me. They feel really soft, which is good. And what is this? Owner's manual. Wow, everything in this is so like luxurious. Even this little baggie on here feels like really luxurious. A little owner's manual. I won't go into this because you guys don't care, but this is the type that I got. It's called Tolv, and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors, which is awesome. This is what they look like in. They're so cute. Now Thursday. I can't even remember the last thing I talked to you guys about. This week has just been so strange. It's just after 4 o'clock. It's been so dark and gloomy all day. I have been pretty stressed because I have a lot of responsibilities with my contract jobs going on right now, and I feel very overwhelmed, and I feel like I have not been able to do much this week in terms of art or stuff for my business. I've mostly just been working on stuff that I can't really show you guys, so that sucks. But the good thing is, while I've been working away on my contract jobs, I've been using my SUDIO earbuds. They're actually charging right now because I've been using them all day and they just finally died. But I really like them, and I just want to say again, thank you so much SUDIO for gifting me with those. That was such a nice thing to do. I also, because this was my first ever brand collaboration type thing, I kind of wanted to share my experience with my patrons. So I posted a whole blog post about that. I'll show you guys what it kind of looks like right here. Yeah, so I put that up on my Patreon. It's kind of just about how it happened, how it came to be, my experience with it, and yeah, so it was really cool. And also you can use this discount code. I'll put it right there. It doesn't give me any commission or anything, but you guys can save 15% off on any of the SUDIO products. So yeah, if you want to, go check it out. They have a lot of really cute stuff. But something really exciting came in the mail today, and I want to show it to you guys. I got a letter from one of my art friends. Her handle is by Amy, and it was my birthday last week, and I decided I wanted to treat myself with a little gift. So I ordered some stuff from her Etsy shop, and I'm gonna open it and show you guys. I'm so excited. Another thing is, I painted my nails, and I extended my nails as well because I always have stubs. But I swear, I put even like the tiniest little bit of nail on my hand, and I forgot how to use my fingers. So please don't mind me as I struggle. Ah, look at the packaging. That's her little sticker. Can you see that? Ah, here we are. So here's her little thank you card. And she wrote me a little thank you note as well. You're so welcome, Amy. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Oh, confetti. Her confettis are so cute. They're all little stars. So I ordered, oh, this is a compostable bag. That's so awesome. I definitely want to try and switch to these in the future. So first things first. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I got a Spooky Pals sticker sheet. I just loved it so much, and it's so festive, and oh my gosh, it looks so good. These colors, all the little details that you miss when you see pictures of it, but in person it's just so gorgeous. So that's the sticker sheet that I got from her. And then I also bought this little daydreamer sticker because I just thought it was so cute. I hope it's focusing. How cute is that? I just needed it in my life. And then she also threw in some freebies for me, which was so sweet. I have a little ghosty and a little candy corn. Yeah, so that's my order from By Amy. I also ordered from 2 other small art friends, and I accidentally sent those to my parents' address. So I'm hoping that the orders will maybe have arrived by this weekend, because I'm gonna go visit my parents this weekend, and then I will show you guys what I ordered from them too, because I'm so excited. It's such a good feeling to be able to support some of these small artists, especially since all the artists I ordered from I know from Instagram, and they're just lovely and so supportive, and yeah. So everybody go check out By Amy. And there's something else I wanted to show you actually. So my sister actually purchased something from another one of my favorite artists, and her name is Helen Butcher. I'll show you what I got from her. Here's her little business card. And then she wrote me a little note that my sister asked to have written in it, I guess, which is so sweet. Also, that egg is so cute. And then this is the pin that I got that my sister picked out for me. Look how cute it is. I love how simple Helen's pins are. They're just very minimal, and I enjoy that. And then there's a little Apple's freebie sticker, which I love. And then one more thing to show. I wasn't really planning on this video being an unboxing video, or a haul video, I guess. Sometimes that's just how it is. I actually won a giveaway by CMMCM Draws. Her name is Kelly, and I also follow her on Instagram. There's her little business card. And this was back in May, I think. And she was doing one of her mermaid pins as a giveaway. And I won. So that came in the mail, and it is so beautiful. Look how shiny it is. So yeah, that's some of the art that I have gotten over the past couple weeks, and I love it all. And I don't even want to put these stickers on anything because I love them so much, but I'm sure I'll find places for them. But yeah, thanks for watching my little haul. I have to go back to contract work, and I don't know if I will be doing too much interesting art stuff this vlog. But that's the life when you work other jobs as well. So I will touch base with you guys when I do something interesting. happy Friday. I last night was able to finish up a new design for a print, and just now I tested it out and I'm really happy with it. I haven't had a chance to draw, it feels like, in forever, and yeah, last night I was just like, I really want to draw some mushrooms, so I did, and I'm really happy that I had that opportunity. I didn't really have time for it. Work has been very busy, and I feel like I've been in a little bit of a slump all week just because I have not had a chance to do much for my personal stuff, like shops and Patreon and all that. I feel like I haven't had too much time for it this week, especially since it was a short week because of Thanksgiving on Monday, Canadian Thanksgiving. So yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but literally anytime I did anything for my shop or Patreon in this video, it was dark outside, and it's dark outside now too, so that's the life I live. But yeah, there's the print. It's all done. I'm hoping to add it to my shop soon. I really wanted to release a new print as well as the Halloween Animal Crossing stickers that I designed as a patron wallpaper. I want to turn those into stickers, but with my Cricut acting up, it's still acting up, by the way, it's still not working. I don't know when that will be possible. So I might try and tackle it again next week. I've had a couple really awesome people message me some suggestions, and a lot of them I've actually already tried already, but maybe I just gotta try them again. So yeah, anyway, I am going to edit this vlog. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which, whoa, what the heck, you guys, that's insane. Thank you so much. I've also noticed that a lot of you guys have been, when you order from my shop, you guys have been leaving little nice messages, which first off make me so happy, so thank you for doing that. And a lot of you have said that you've watched my vlog and that's what made you want to order, so that is so cool. Thank you so much for watching these videos and for ordering from my shop and for being a patron and liking and subscribing. You guys are freaking amazing. So anyway, I'm gonna go now. I will see you guys next week. Bye.